Hi friends, today we will see sloka 10 in chapter 1 of Bagavath Gita. Aparyaptam tadasmakam balam bhishmabhirakshitam paryaptam tvidame desham balam bhishmabhirakshitam. We'll repeat. Aparyaptam tadasmakam balam bhishmabhirakshitam paryaptam tvidame desham balam bhishmabhirakshitam.
Now we will see the meaning of the 10th sloka. The strength of our army is unlimited and we are safely marshalled by Grandsire Bhishma, while the strength of the Pandava army, carefully marshalled by Bhim, is limited. Shri Krishnarpanamastu.